Ari.
Oh.
Rihanna is crazy and impulsive and pretty. What you think?
Now, Ariana. All right, Ariana is a loving person. Ariana is a go-getter. That bitch a hustler. She works all the time. Well, she always got something up her sleeve.
We want the Nicki version. We want the remix.
Like, bro, why am I so close to the camera?
Period, Pooh. It's period. We finna throw a show. I'm finna rap.
Can you not?
I'm gonna be like,
Hey.
freestyle. I got some shit.
Come on, give me a freestyle right now. A birthday freestyle. She's passionate. Cause shit, when she wanna do something,
It's gonna get done.
and then she's risky. Is that a good word?
That's
Risky.
a good word.
Well, crazy. Definitely crazy. 85% crazy. I'm weird. I'm rare. Definitely unforgettable. Like you would never ever forget me. Ever. And most importantly, I'm genuine.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Ariana is... She's a whole lot of shit.
Something up her sleeve. Ariana is very lovable. She want to see everybody around her do good, do great. She gonna let you know if you need to do something or if you slacking at something. She gonna let you know. Ariana S is very outgoing.
I got iceberg with my heart it. On the road, why had it hearted?
But also like an introvert, but outgoing with the people that she know. I'm sorry. Ari is a bad bitch. That's period. That's all I ain't even gotta say.
You bitches could fucking never.
For therapy, because my thoughts ahead of me, they keep on dragging me. I pay for keeps, they scared of me. I cannot barely.
Really, really one of a kind, honestly. That's how you could just sum it up. Different, very pretty. My best friend.
Very, very, very honest. That bitch gonna let you know. Whether we like it or not, that bitch gonna let you know. So yeah, Ari is my sis. So that's why I love her.
I also love you a go-getter.
Okay, story time. Let me tell y'all what really happened. Because everything was cool. Friday night, like I said, I went to some bars that I work in. It was downtown in like the Gold Coast area. So that's where we was at.
What the fuck you thinking, nigga?
Okay, so like I said, we went to those little bars. I had a good time. I invited, some of my closest people out. And then on Saturday, 80 put.
Best friend, happy birthday. Oh, look. What? Period. Get y'all a best friend like mine.
Let me tell y'all what happened. So my dress, which I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what type of dress I had. It was, you know, it was just real like rich. It was giving me like rich bitch vibes. Like rich bitch. Rich bitch. Okay. So I'm gonna be a rich bitch. I need that dress. Okay. I got it off of Kira. Which I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what type of dress I had. It was, you know, like a tweed dress. It had like pearls on it. That's one thing y'all gonna learn about me too. I'm not petty. If you liking something that I got and you ask me, you know, Ari, where you get that from? I'm gonna let you know I got it here, girl. This is how much I paid for it. Yes, they be, yes, shop with them. Also, shop with me really, 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 really soon. Anyway, back to the story. So the dress that I had, it was very fitting, and it had a zipper. I had to like step into the dress, and then it had a zipper on the bottom that is just zipped all the way up to the top. Like it just zipped all the way up. So now I'm at brunch, I'm having a good time, I'm dancing, and I sit down. Next thing you know, it popped at the bottom. Like it just popped. So y'all know what happened, like if something pop with a zipper, it's just gonna, you know, get off track. My whole dress just kind of like bust open. Like for real. Bust open. It was still zipped at the top, but it was just a mess. I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, so my friend's like, let's just try to zip it down. I'm like, no, I don't want y'all to zip it down, because then if y'all trying to zip it down, what if it don't come back up? Then we just gonna have to leave, because I ain't bring no extra clothes. Like, what the fuck? I was so mad. I had just got there. I was only there for like 30 minutes. So my friends, they trying to figure it out. They, you know, and then I couldn't even like walk to the bathroom, because it's like if I walk to the bathroom, my whole, you know, everything was just out. So I'm like, oh my God. So they get to like standing around me. Lucky enough, the brunch place we went to was so lit that nobody noticed nothing. Like, did nobody notice a thing. So they crowding around me, they trying to zip it. So after about, I'm like, oh my God. So after about 5-6 minutes, my friend like, I got it zipped down, and let me try to zip it back up. So she starts zipping. It's zipped. I'm like, okay, cool, we lit. Give her a hug. Thank you. You just saved the day. So now we drinking again. Woo. I'm having fun. I move again. Guess what? The dress pop again. Like just pop. But this time it's just low. It's just very low, like at the bottom. So I'm like, hey, everybody looking at me. I don't really want to tell them what's going on, because I already just kind of was embarrassed the first time. Not even embarrassed. I just don't like being an inconvenience. And I felt like I was being an inconvenience because could nobody enjoy themselves until after my dress got fixed. You know what I'm saying? So when it happened again, I'm just like, damn. So then my friend like, let's go get something. She said, let's go get some more food. So I'm like, I can't, girl. My dress I'm trying to whisper like, my dress just popped again. So now she tell everybody like, we got to do it again. I'm like, no. I'm like, I'll just put my jacket around my waist, you know, so we can enjoy ourselves. I get up. Same thing happened again. So even though I really love the dress, I don't know if it was something with the zipper, but it was not too small. Like, it wasn't. So everything was cool. So yes. Be looking out for my future videos. It's gonna have a lot of great content, a lot of my opinions, just, you know, a lot of different things.